remember their sin no more. It is impossible to enter the presence of God from least to greatest shall not cherish the day for your teachers. Cherish the day for the staff. Much of what we know, what we heard, what we learned, we got from them. Cherish the day for your parents, especially your mothers. They are intensely and especially proud of you. Allow them, even if only on this day, to embarrass you with all their attention and affection, their oohs and ahs and pictures and poses and love. Maybe even tears. It will simply never be like this, ever. You are who you are today because of them, because they love you, and they will see no better way to give you than a better chance at a future that is no longer theirs but yours. A future far better in prospect because of your white and your blue. A much bigger world is waiting for you outside the familiar, organized, dependable and predictable campus. So gentlemen, everything that you have, remember, is a gift. The sooner you realize that, the sooner you recognize that truth, the better it will be for you and your future. Everything that you have, everything that you hold is given to you. Everything that you have is given. And you have to be grateful. You need to be grateful. For only grateful people know what it means to depend on others, to rely on others, to be responsible for what they have, and to be responsible for those who have greater need. Only grateful people know what it truly means to receive and to give, to be in debt and to be indebted. Only grateful people know what it means to be truly humble enough to offer this day and say thank you. And with that, I'd like to thank all our parents for being here. Give a hand please to all your friends.
Mga magulang, mga panauhin at mga kandidato sa pagtatapos ng kataas na paaralan. Taong 2000 siyang opisyal na sinisimulan ang pagtutunan sa pagtatapos sa
You may not see each other often, but when you do, you will feel as if you are kept in touch regularly. You will laugh at the same jokes and remember the events and anecdotes as if
Babasahin po ngayon ng mga tagapayo ng bawat klase ang mga pangalan na nagpatapos. Pinag-iusap ng tanda na iwasan ang pagpalakpak hanggang matapos sa pagtawag ng pangalan na huling kasapi ng klase.
Fidel Antonio G. Alfonso.
S. Eman. Jose Miguel B. Estrella. Sol Wilfredo C. Flores Jr. Sergio
Inaanyayahan ang klaseng 4J na tumayo at lumapit sa etablado. Paulo Delgado, Mosh D. Baldo, Rafael C. Carlos, Reynaldo M. Centeno Jr., Dan Nicholas S. Collado, Adrian Nicholas A. Corpus, Thomas Julio P. Cruel, Leonardo P. Cruz, Joaquin Anton P. Cunye, Gian Christian R. Desanito, Kenneth Adrian B. Chocno, Ivan Angelo S. Enriquez, Jose Mari M. Esquerra, Victor Florentino M. Evangelista, Neil Patrick Z. Flores, Robert Emmanuel J. Yao, Noel Christopher C. Lavalias, Victor Romeo M. Lopez, J. Albert D. Lopez D, Daniel Ray G. Manalili, Mark Lawrence C. Mendoza, Angelo Filomeno S. Montego, Joaquin Benedetto P. Oliero, Luis Antonio A. Puno, Peter P. Punzalan, Carlo Miguel C. Riolica, Javier Ignacio C. Reyes, Miguel Antonio M. Reyes, Paulo M. Ricacho, Carlo Joshua D. Robleza, Roberto Francisco L. Ruiz, Joshua Allen B. Sebastian, Jesus Lorenzo A. Simpson, Eric Earl D. Trono, Mariano Higino F. Yap II, Jonathan P. Eliana, at C. Mackinley S. Horley.
Dito po nagbawagan